Ni mururungano wa thayo wa amemba kiama kia MAWAKIRI LSK kuma igoti-ini ikaru nginyanagia igoti-ini ria Milimani kuririkana miaka 7 kuma hindi ria wakiri WILLIE KIMANI na andu angi eri moragirwo. Hindi ya mururungano uyu president wa kiama giki Eric Theuri ni atongoririe aruna ake gukumithia njuragano cia mawakiri iria ikoretwo ikihanikira moko-ini ma maabitha borithi undu umwe na kunyarirwo, kuguoyohio na kurutirwo mikana hindi ria mari wira-ini wao.
This is the commencement of a commemoration that we have dubbed the Purple Ribbon Week, and we intend to hold this annually to commemorate the lives of our colleagues that were lost in the line of duty, as well as those who have disappeared mysteriously and are yet to be found.
Kama mawakili, kuna jambo moja ambalo tunasema, tutasimama na haki, tutasimama na Wakenya, na tutasimama na kila wakili.
Na kuona riu ni miaka 7 kuma wakiri WILLIE KIMANI oragirwo na mwiri wake gucoka kuonekana utetwo rũĩ-inĩ rwa Athi, riu bairo ya CIRA wake NIIHINGIRWO KAIMANA umuthi igoti-ini ria Milimani, family yake kiuga kihoto kiao ni kionekanire thutha wa maabitha 3 aria makuruhanitio na njuragano eno kuohwo ona gutuika no maihoire ihoru ni gutigwo ni mwendwa wao.
And we are saying that this should come to an end. It should be no more a case of police brutality, threats, harassment against lawyers who are simply doing their duty, discharging their duty, representing clients, representing the society.
Magiukirira njuragano ici kuria gukinyaniria na riu makiria ma mawakiri 6 ni makuite na njira o ta ino. Kiama giki ni kiendekithitie macira maria mothe marakuruhania maabitha borithi na njuragano makoragwo magituithanio kwa ihinda ria miaka 3, na riria cira uyu wacokio riko ndugakirie mwaka umwe tatuithanitio niguo kugitira aira hamwe na mawakiri.
And so today we start this commemoration, and then let it be a lesson to all of us, whether we are learned friends or whether we are members of the public, that really at the end of the day we just want justice and we want fairness, so that if we are discharging our duties, then we should not be threatened, we should not be harassed, we should not be facing brutality. We're simply doing our job.
Ihinda-ini o riu president wa RUHONGE rwa kimabũrũri gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Africa na Europe Andy Griffiths ni ugite ni uhoro wa kieha kuona kwina macira maria moete ihinda iraya matari matuithanio megie njuragano iria itafanitio ni maabitha borithi maria ni hamwe na andu 8 aria moragirwo mwena wa mukuru kwa Ruben mwaka-ini wa 2016.
We are very much an organization who wants to work to help to strengthen public justice systems to the point where they protect their people who are vulnerable. So in Kenya, there is sometimes an excessive use of violence. This cannot happen, and it is so important to protect those who want to do their jobs and to do them well.
Kiumia giki giothe kiria gikurikanite ta Purple Ribbon gigukorwo ari gia kuririkana mawakiri othe aria makuiririire wira-ini wao na njira ya kuragwo, na mihang'o eno igatanywo gutirihwo tariki 23 mweri uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.